La 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 la.
Into the box, out of the box, around the box. Into the box, out of the box, around the box. Away from the box, towards the box, past the box. Away from the box, towards the box, past the box. Into the box, out of the box, around the box. Into the box, out of the box, around the box. Prepositions of movement. Onto the box, off the box, over the box. Onto the box, off the box, over the box. Under the wall, through the pipe, cross the bridge, cross the bridge, cross the bridge. Prepositions of the mess. Under the wall, through the pipe, across the bridge. Prepositions of the mess. Under the wall, through the pipe, across the bridge. Prepositions of the mess. Up the stairs, up the stairs, down the stairs, down the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, down the stairs. Prepositions of the mess.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to look at prepositions of movement. These are words like through, down, over, across, up, and under. Okay, let's begin. Let's complete the sentence. The dog stole the sausage and quickly jumped the wall. What do you think? Up, under, over, across. Okay, well done. The dog stole the sausage and quickly jumped over the wall. Next. The train went a very long tunnel. What is the correct answer? Across, up, over, through. Okay, let's take a look. The train went through a very long tunnel. Well done. Next. The ship sailed the bridge and then disappeared over the horizon. Let's fill in the gap. Up, under, over, down. What is the answer? Okay. The ship sailed under the bridge and then disappeared over the horizon. Perfect. Next. John climbed the ladder to play with the boys in the treehouse. Up, through, across, over. What's the answer? Okay. John climbed up the ladder to play with the boys in the treehouse. Well done. Next. Santa went the chimney and left the presents next to the Christmas tree. Let's fill in the gap. Across, down, over, under. Okay. Santa went down the chimney and left the presents next to the Christmas tree. Okay, next. Paul swam the lake to get to the other side. Through, over, up, across. Okay, let's take a look. Paul swam across the lake to the other side. Excellent. Mom was looking the window when we arrived. She was worried. What is the missing word? Up, through, over, down. Okay. Mom was looking through the window when we arrived. She was worried. Very good. Mr. Roberts went the stairs to his bedroom. Through, across, down, up. Okay. Mr. Roberts went up the stairs to his bedroom. Well done, everybody. That's all we have time for in today's class. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and can use these prepositions of movement more easily. See you next time. Bye-bye.